Hello and welcome to History Through Question. Today's topic is historiography, and today we're going to discuss important topic that is fiscal and the monetary systems. And this fiscal and monetary systems of prices under the Mughal state and economy. So the first important book by Irfan Habib, that is Agrarian System of the Mughal India. Second book by Tapan Ray Chaudhary and the Irfan Habib, that is the Cambridge Economic History of India, Volume 1st. H. Hukasawa, The Medieval Deccan, Peasants, Social Systems and State from 16th to 18th Centuries. A.R. Kulkarni, Maharashtra in the Age of Shivaji. Burton Steen, The New Cambridge History of India. Again Burton Steen, Vijayanagar Empire. M.P. Singh, Town Market, Mint and Port in the Mughal Empire. Last but not the least, H.K. Sherwani and P.M. Joshi, History of the Medieval Deccan, and from the time period 1295 to 1724.